Camping trips are always fun. Packing a grill for those trips? Not so much fun. We love grilling when we can, but most of the grilling products on the market are heavy, awkward, and bulky. So what can we do about this? There's gotta be a better way. Introducing the Bitty Big Cube, the ultimate portable, expandable grilling rack. Bitty Big Q is so compact, you just fold it up, throw it in your backpack, and you're ready to go. Bitty Big Q is made of high quality 3/16 stainless steel. It's a lightweight, compact, durable grill rack that can be opened and closed in seconds. It also has 3 adjustable levels so you can choose your perfect grill rack height above your fire. Bitty Big Q isn't just for the great outdoors. You can use the Bitty Big Q as a cooling rack for baking. You can even use it when roasting. To top it all off, Bitty Big Q is dishwasher safe.